Hello dear students, welcome to the platform of Teacher Educator. Today, let us know about the report writing for an event conducted in your college. Event is a pre-arranged activity which is conducted to provide various curricular and co-curricular experiences to the students. Now, why do we ask you to write an event report? When you write a report of an event, you collect all the necessary information related to the event. You try to gather all the required data available from different people. You communicate with them. You also create sometimes digital presentations. Then you organize them, followed by the neat and appealing documentation of the same. So, in the process of event report writing, you develop some of the technical skills, soft skills and life skills, thus adding to your personality development. In your entire B.Ed program, you will organize or experience many events like inaugural function, induction, talent day, community living camp, educational excursion, celebration or observance of different days of significance, etc. Now, I will share the report format. First, you need to create a cover page and an index. Then, you should write the basic information about the event under the headings of event details like event title, date, venue, organizer, participants, etc. After the basic details, you can write some introduction about the event like its origin and reason behind the organization of the same. Followed by it, you should write the objectives of conducting the particular event in your college. You can write 3 to 4 objectives. Sometimes you may not be knowing to write the objectives. You can always take the help of your teacher educators in order to fill this heading, information under this heading. After the objectives, write the basic nature of the event or description. Event description can be written under headings like before the event, during the event and after the event. Before the event, you should write about the preparation for the activity or the program. Then under the heading of during the event, you need to write the actual event, how did it occur. Then under the heading of post-event, you can write like feedback forms, etc. After the nature of the program, you write your reflections about the event or the activity like how was your participation, what were your learning experiences, what were the learning gaps and what was your relation, communication and interaction in the group, etc. You can also add information like in the future programs what kind of the constructive activities can be further conducted. Lastly, you need to attach the appendices like the necessary documents related to the events. You can attach the photographs and the feedback forms, etc. Here, I have presented a sample. Here in this sample, the activity is Day of Cultural Diversity. Here is a cover page and an index. Here, in order to save time and space, I have tried to bring both the pages together in one slide. Then, you can see this is the event detail, followed by introduction to the event and its objectives. Then, I have given here the description of the event. You can take a screenshot of the slides if needed. Here you can have a look that under the heading of before the event, I have written about the preparatory activities which were needed or required to conduct the program, right? Then under the heading of during the event, how did the program go? What was the entire program list that is presented here? Then under the heading of after the event, I have written about that filling up the feedback form and the report submission which generally is done by the students. Here I have written the report, so in charge teacher educator I have mentioned here, right? Now after that, You can also attach the gallery wherein all the related photographs are to be attached. Followed by your gallery, you are supposed to present some other documents like some circulars might be there, some other documents like your invitation card. If you have prepared that invitation card, can be added. Followed by what we had conducted during that event, we have conducted one quiz program. So related to the quiz, whatever the PPT slides were there, that I have attached here. Then we also had one PowerPoint presentation. So here I have added some of the slides of PowerPoint presentation. Then we had asked the students to fill the feedback forms for the activity. So you can also attach the feedback forms related to the activities filled by the students. So what you have seen here, whatever activities you have done, particular activity, whatever like performances of the students, whatever documentation, anything or everything which supports the validity of your activity has to be submitted along with your report. So dear students, this was all about writing a report for an event. This is only a sample and basic information. You can always have the freedom to create your own format with various different headings. So that's all up to you, your college and your learning experiences. Dear students, thank you and happy learning.